All right, what's up everybody? It is day 18 of my 75 hard challenge, and so my daily question to you is, what do you do when you hit a plateau? So I've hit a bit of a plateau and kind of teetering around that 15 to 17 pound weight loss, but I still feel like I'm losing weight based off of my daily pictures and how I look in the mirror, which the true test is going to be tomorrow or next week when I do my body composition and compare it to how I started. But so when you think about when you hit that plateau of trying to make a change, what do? Do you stay the course? Do you make a change? Or do you do something completely different? Or just change things up, a little bit? But anyway, that is my challenge to you. My plan is to stay the course, because it seems to have been working even though my weight part has plateaued. And I'm continuing to work out, lift weights, and I'm probably gaining some muscle as I'm losing weight. So that's my plan, at least for now. And that is day 18. It's in the books. We'll see you tomorrow.